Welcome to NPC GK. So today we'll have a quick revision on some important topics of general computer. So we'll talk about the generations of computer, first to fifth generation, and the unit of storage in short form. I'll also be giving you some shortcuts on how to memorize the answer. And so this is a quick revision for those who have already studied, and also for those ultra legends who prepares in the last minute. I think this will help you in some ways. So let's begin without wasting much of your time. So the first topic is generation of computers and the kind of hardware that they use. The first generation computer used vacuum tubes. The second generation used transistors. The third generation used integrated circuit. The fourth generation used microprocessors or VLSI or very large scale integrated circuit. And the fifth generation used AI. That is presently we are using AI and NULSI, that is ultra large scale integrated circuit. So the shortcut to memorize this hardware is very simple. Victim, okay? So just silence the IC and VTIM. V for vacuum tubes, T for transistors, I for integrated circuit, and M for microprocessors. AI though any jane jago because we are using it at present, right? And presently we are living in the fifth generation phase of computer. So these are some of the shortcuts and important topics for generation of computer. Secondly, let's talk about the unit of storage. This is another important topic. So there are 7 units of storage. Number 1 is 1 bit. 1 bit is binary digit, or as you all know, binary digit is 0 or 1. 8 bits is 1 byte, okay? And from the third one, it's very similar. Just remember that 1024, okay? Everything is 1024. So 1 kilobyte is equals to 1024 bytes. 1 megabytes is equals to 1024 kilobytes. 1 gigabyte equals to 1024 megabyte. 1 terabyte equals to 1024 gigabyte. 1 petabyte is equals to 1024 petabytes. So the shortcut to memorize this one is simple. Just remember the first and second one is I have already underlined. So 1 bit equals to binary digit, 8 bits equals to 1 byte. This one you have to memorize, and it's very easy to memorize also. So from number 3 to 7, just remember KMGTB, okay? KMGTB. Just rhyme it in your word and keep it in your memory, KMGTB. And that way you can memorize this in shortcut. K stands for kilobyte, M stands for megabyte, G stands for gigabyte, T stands for terabyte, and P stands for petabyte. So sorry, I should have written P, but I've written B, so it's P, okay? So here are some other important points. A half byte is called a nibble, okay? So what is a nibble? Nibble means 4 bits. 4 bits is called a nibble, okay? And the most common unit to measure the speed of data is MB or megahertz. Lastly, let's talk about the impact and non-impact printers. So impact printers are, the example of impact printers are ball printer, drum printer, line printer, serial printer, daisy wheel printer, and gen printer. And the non-impact printers example are laser printer, page printers, inkjet printers, plotters, thermal printers, and snapshot printers. There is not much of a shortcut that I can give you to memorize this one, but just remember that impact printers names are like the basic things inside your instrument box. No, in your classroom you use instrument box when you were a student. So ball, drum, line, serial, daisy, wheel, and chain. These are like some things that can be inside your instrument box. No, and the non-impact printers just memorize as it is. Thank you so much for watching our video, and I hope you can subscribe to my YouTube channel as well and share it with your friends. And also the current affairs from the month of January till December is already up on my YouTube channel, so you can check it out as well. Thank you and all the best for your exam.